hair foam. That's like 32, 2003.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So we're eating some poke, and it has delicious. It's my first trying this now. Never tried this. It's so good. It's so sweet. That's good. Remember this guy? My tongue touched that. That chips. Yeah, Taki, my heart is racing. That fat man that likes Takis and the big giant ice cream. Where did you get these more? I didn't get more. Where did you get more of it? I didn't. Found it in my car. I think Mumu forgot it. Yes, I did. The kid. Remember I said don't come to my house yesterday? I was gonna go to your house. But that's okay. Yeah. Your blue top. You found it?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. That's Layla video right here. She's okay. Let's see it while we're making noodles. She's have her own. So this is gonna be mine. So let's get started.
I'm gonna do an ASMR video.
So I'm gonna do this one. I'll be right back. Not spicy noodle. Wait, what? What's the other one?
Spicy noodles!
Oh, I think my mom made it for us. We already opened it. Let's close it. And let's make it.
Wait, I have to lick it.
I'm not licking it.
And then we, see? And then close it. And let's put that off on the whole time. It's so heavy right now.
I just saw it from the. Is it for us?
Probably.
I'm licking my fingers.
I'm really...
Sorry guys, we didn't know. We wanted to make the.
What's up?
I haven't had spicy noodle in a long time. So let's get started. Oh yeah, can you get me one? I'm gonna use chapstick. I love using like these bowls, guys.
We use
Chopsticks. There's the other yellow one.
Yeah, other yellow one.
There's the other yellow one.
It's probably hiding under there.
You take this up. Oh. It's under the wrecking thing.
Get it!
Oh wait, I need to put. There's so much. Sorry guys. There's so much chopstick. Does it help?
No, I'm trying to get this.
How?
The thingy. What the Scooby-Doo? Don't do it to me. It's dirty. Scooby-Doo. I am.
I gotta wash my spoon. Go, if you're gonna go first.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna go first.
That's right there.
I got so target. Did she put any eggs? Yeah. Oh my god, it's so hard now. Wait. Can you go get a fork for this?
Fork?
Yeah. I put my chopstick on yours. You're in my video and I'm in your video.
And also I am in my video. And I just do like this. Ow! What that's going? Mena, look, I did like this because it's more easier. Or they can see you. What does Scooby do? Where are you?
You can go now.
Get your.
It's out of my way. Do you want to eat here or in the kitchen? I mean, in the kitchen.
In the video.
Do you want some water?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get you guys later. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna put these. Save some when we eat more, okay?
Okay. What the Scooby Doo? Where are you?
It's not spicy enough. Let me take you guys.
Okay, that's it. Let's take you guys.
Those are the things, so no flyers. Sorry, guys.
I get this because I don't have that. It's right here.
I'm gonna go get water. I keep wiggling. So I have some water. Jeez. Jeez. You can't see my food because I'm like sad. Let's eat now.
I'll get you guys closer.
So this is our noodle. No, mommy, yet. My newa. It's so cold.
Not that spicy.
Oh man, they were spicy a lot. But Layla, you can use the spicy noodle sauce.
I get your iPad. I get your iPad. I'm not for ya.
Is it still on?
No. Who cares?
I'm gonna watch YouTube, guys. So be. Welcome back to another video.
So I'm gonna do some ASMR. So ready?